Good morning. Yan, Team Philippines, oh. Women's Team Philippines. Softball to, softball. Practice.
Ang kaligayahan.
Baba. Team Philippines. Si coach. Hindi na sinalo kasi foul eh. Hindi sinalo ni coach eh. Yan. Okay. So, babay na at gagawa na kami. Ang gagawa namin, oh. Net. Ang harang. Practice yung Team Philippines Women's.